Yeah, that is from Mom and Dad.
Abby, this is for you. Abby, this is for you.
Abby, go look in your bag.
Daddy, you can probably just dump it out.
Cool shoes.
Did you like them?
Abby, I'll show
I mean,
you.
don't get too excited, Maddie.
Abby, open it. Abby.
That's a cute little cinch sack. Tights.
Cool. And my mom. It's in my bag. Hey, Mama.
Maddie, it's all clothes in there. So you're probably gonna more pants and socks. Maddie, pull that out. You're gonna really like that. You missed what that looks like. Unfold it. Maddie, look. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Okay, yours.
Open this.
It's my turn already? Looks like a Keurig machine.
Molly, come here.
Maddie, how about Mommy wait?
Molly.
Honey, they're locked up.
Oh, boy.
Go get some gifts.
Maddie, well, let's let
Over
that
here.
go second. See, Maddie, this is a chalkboard. Ooh!
No. No, Abby.
Yeah, what are these?
Stop. Let me see. For me and you.
Is this my gift?
For us?
This my gift? This my gift? Heart? No.
Let me
It's
see.
not your
You need it. Dad must know these more than Mom.
That's Abby.
This is Abby?
Pretty sure.
Here, Abby. Here, let's make it.
Right, there's still very hard on this.
Alright, does that have your name on it? Yes, from your sister.
Thank you, Abby. It's up, right up. Abby, I said thank you.
It's a Toy Story game, Maddie, that we hook up to the TV.
Abby, wow, thank you. Abby, thank you. I got that for her. Open.
Abby, flip it over.
Abby, thank you.
Say you're welcome.
Welcome.
Here, Abby,
Oh,
Maddie,
Ab.
start moving them this way, sweetie. Because you got a lot to do.
Thank you very hard on this work.
Go take that to Mommy so we can get some more.
Mama,
Barbie car.
name on it.
It says Abby, but
What's my name?
it really doesn't matter. 'Cause a lot of the stuff you guys are
Yeah.
going to share anyway.
Give that to Abby. Give that other one to Abby.
Oh my goodness, Maddie. It's not
Careful,
just
don't
any
rip-
book, Maddie.
Careful, don't rip the cover.
Look at me.
Yeah, yeah.
Maddie, it's not any book. Remember the napping house? And on the back, there's 2 other books. This is one of them.
Yeah, good job, Santa. Really, you did a good job. What's this say, Abby?
You can open it. Abby will open this one.
Abby, you can open this.
You open that one, Maddie.
It's another book.
on the back of the napping house.
Abby, Bambi, and Fox
Sally.
and the Hound. Yay! Movies.
All right, keep going, Mama. Are you excited? We'll have to read these later.
Yeah. One for Abby. Mama,
That is...
for me?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Everybody, who's this from? Me.
Let me see, Abby, if that one's for you. Take it to Mommy.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah? Heavy?
Yeah. Good job. Two lace.
You're going to learn how to tie. You gotta get the kicker. Go get it.
Careful.
Is that for you?
Cool book. Fairy tale tales. Usborne book. What's that, Maddie?
It's that color magic. Now you can use those markers.
Abby, what you got?
Oh,
Oh,
Maddie, look.
ants in the pants.
Abby, here, that's for you.
Give me a trash bag.
Yeah.
I'll go get the trash bag.
I'm going to move this out of the way.
That's fine.
What is it?
I don't know. Santa brought it. I don't know what it is.
You know, I wish you wouldn't surprise me. I told you I tried to get your gift. Oh, Maddie. Thanks. You just put it there. Abby, you've got some too. Uh-oh. Man, I hope another book. I guess Santa knows you like books.
Yes, Santa. How did Abby do this?
Okay, Maddie, should we give you want to give Sissy your gift?
Yeah.
Here, Abby. Here's your gift from Sissy.
Abby, that's for me. No,
It's
it's for me.
from. Can you get this?
Who is that?
Daddy, look.
Ernie?
Yeah.
Here,
I told you! Look at this book. Mama, look at this book. That's for me.
do you like him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look.
Here, hold on. Here, Abby, let me get him going. No, we're not done with you.
Abby, do you like him? Yeah. You're welcome, sweetie.
Daddy will get him out.
Out.
Get him out.
Okay, move them over and then we'll get them out.
What's this for?
No, Dad wrapped in this. It kind of gives it away. It's probably for your mom.
Okay, this is for me.
Right?
Daddy, is this for you?
Yeah, this one's for both of you.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Maddie, a lot of the gifts, because you guys play with stuff together, is for both of you guys.
Yeah.
You know, even like books you guys share and stuff.
And this one looks like it's kind of a... Wow. You're strong, Abby.
Very cool.
Play-Doh! Let me put on my backpack, okay? No! How do I look? Look, what's my backpack?
See, your sissy knows how everything goes. Can you open it? Yeah.
Is that what's that? It's not it's not Maddie's, is it?
It's for both of them.
Can I see? Uh-oh.
All right, let's see.
Abby, this is for the baby. If you need me
Maddie,
to
this
check
one-
your baby out.
And that's for when you can play doctor with your babies.
Yeah.
Maddie, this is for you and Abby, but you can open it.
Okay. You can help me open this, Abby. Yeah.
Oh, look.
It's just ketchup thing. Hey. Our back. Our backpack.
You want to put it on?
Yeah. Doggy.
We need to fix your sock. You have them on backwards.
Thank you for shopping with us.
That's cool, Maddie.
Baby. Abby, this is another Play-Doh.
How do you know, man? The shape and the feel?
Yeah, because I notice it.
Here, Abby. Abby, we don't need to open that yet. Here's your present.
Okay.
Uh-oh, you better hurry up.
What?
Slow down.
Oh, I'm getting faster. I'm being fast. What's this? We have this.
Ready.
Yeah, okay.
It's a Zuzu pet, but it's a dog with long hair.
Oh, doggy.
Abby got a white one, too.
Abby, I'm a doggy.
Well, she's got a doggy, too.
Yeah?
Here, Ambers.
All about Sit there. Sit there.
Go ahead.
Abby, these are both for us.
Here you go, man. Thanks for being so sweet to Matt today. You're welcome. Abby, look at me. Abby, look at me and smile.
Strawberry shortcake.
Wow, Maddie. It's a remote control car. You get to drive it around in here. You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can have it if you want. Oh, cool. Too.
That was a big hit.
I got coffee. Yes.
Okay, this is for both of you guys.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, my color.
B.
My color.
Both?